Kung naniniwala ka sa mga Illuminati, wag na wag mong babasahin ang librong to. So, hi guys! It's Adina Script again. So, today we're going to review one of Dan Brown's creation, Angels and Demon. So, here are my takeaways about this novel. So, ang una kong takeaway ay yung diniscuss dito isa sa mga controversial issue ng mundo. So, controversial siya, but hindi natin siya mararamdaman everyday or hindi siya nagiging significant sa araw-araw mong buhay, which is, ang issue na to is yung science versus religion. Dito diniscuss is yung mga tradition, culture, and yung history ng Roman Catholic. At the same time, yung ancient brotherhood na naitatag noong 16 or but in real life is tinayo siya noong 18th century, which is the Illuminati. But in-emphasize nga din dito ng author na bakit nga ba hindi dapat mag-away ang science and religion. Una is may mga scientists na nag-aaral kung paano ginawa ni God yung universe, like the antimatter, or kung paano nga ba, diba sa universe natin is there is symmetry. Kung merong dark, merong light. So, kung merong matter, merong antimatter. Then, proceeding to another takeaway, there are twists within the twist, guys. Grabe, napaka-mind-bending nung genre ng novel ito. From the mystery, paikot-ikotin ka niya para lang malaman mo. Marami ka ding malalaman dito na knowledge about history. At the same time, is meron kasing fiction part dito na mga Renaissance people like Galileo and Bernini. Like, sila daw yung leader ng Illuminati, but it's just fiction, guys. Then, as last, my takeaway, comparing naman sa movie, guys, mako-confuse lang kayo dun sa beginning ng movie and also dun sa book since magkaiba siya in-execute sa movie and also sa book. So, overall, i-rate ko itong book na to ng 9.5 out of 10. So, yun lang. Tutulog na ako. Bye-bye!